If you want to learn how to create this online store website for your brand, small business, or affiliate marketing with free hosting, then keep watching. This works great for anyone. Promote products on Instagram, sell it as a template, your choice. And stick around till the end because I'll give you every secret to get the best results, even when things don't seem to be working as expected. Welcome back to Kitty Mogul, and let's get started. So step number 1 is to open up your Canva account and choose how you want to make this online store happen for you. You can start a new website project from scratch, continue working on a previous project you already had, or you may use this ready-to-go Canva template that I've created for you. As you see, this template is fully customizable to your needs and branding. Great, so now let's get to the fun part. Once inside your template, you can start customizing this first section, which is the main slider. And to do so, you start by uploading the photo that you'll be including in this section. Once your photo is uploaded, you can drag and drop it into your design. Make any reframing adjustments. It's usually recommended that you keep your main subject around 1/3 of your image, so you may want to align your image accordingly. Next, you can start adding any text that you want to include in this first section. For the purpose of this example, I previously created the text that I want to include, so I'll be copying and pasting it in the different sections. Once your text and image are ready, you can upload your logo and place it at the center of your web design. You may want to check out the position menu and click on layers and drag it on top of the rest of the elements. You can make any resizing adjustments to it. And delete the previous placeholder. If you go to this panel on the left side, you can click on Arrange and make sure that your logo is centered. And this is a good time to preview your progress so you can take a look at how this is all coming together. And now we're ready to move on to the next section, which is the product category section. So this section is meant to present your different categories of products. These can be fashion products, skincare products, or any kind of product that you're offering on your brand or affiliate website. So your visitors can get a quick idea of what kinds of products they'll be able to find if they continue scrolling. You can also use this for curated collections of products that you recommend in case you want to build this for affiliate marketing. It's a great use case for that. So to customize this section, you can start by adding any text that you want to include in this section, like the title and the name of any categories that you want to present. Next, you can go ahead and upload any photos that will go with each of your categories. Once your image is uploaded, you can reframe any images by double-clicking them and making any adjustments that you want to make. You can continue uploading all of the images for your product categories. And this subtitle is optional, so if you want to delete it, you can just delete it. Or if you want, you can add a subtitle to go with this section. And now we're ready to move on to the next section, which is a brand lifestyle section, so let's get ready to do that. This brand reinforcing CTA section is ideal for highlighting the lifestyle aspect of your brand, like illustrating how the products that you show here will seamlessly blend into people's lives. And to start customizing this section, you can start by adding any text that will go with it. And once that's ready, you can add the background image that will go with this section. Once it's uploaded, you can drag and drop it. And if you need to reframe this image, simply double-click it, drag it outward from either corner, so you can achieve the kind of framing that you want to have for this section. You can go to the upper right corner and preview your progress. It's always a great idea to check if things are looking according to your branding. And now it's a great time to move on to the next section, which is the product section. So we'll be adding our products, and that's very exciting. So let's get ready to do that. So this product section is where you actually start to present any products or items that you're currently selling if you're a small business, or if you're promoting them in case you want to use this for affiliate marketing. So to customize this section, you can start by adding each product and its pricing. And once all the information of your products is ready, you can start uploading the photos for each of your products. You can add the title for this section. It's usually recommended to use something like a call to action, something that includes a verb or that involves some sort of call to action. If you want to keep the different colors of text, you can do so by typing in or copying while selecting the different colors of text. If any of your texts seem to be too large for the space that you have, you can always adjust its sizing and positioning. So this next step is purely optional, and it's the option to expand your image in case that it's too close together to the sides. So if you want to expand it, you can always use Canva's magic expansion tool by selecting your image, clicking edit, and scroll to the right until you see the magic expand tool. Here you may choose the freeform style, adjust the limits of your image, and click expand. You'll get 4 possible options, so you may want to check them out and select the one that you prefer to use. And this is also a great time to check out your progress by going to the upper right corner and clicking preview and check out how your sections are coming together and your products are looking so far. Great, and now it's a great time to move on to the next section, which is the curated look section, and that's very exciting, so let's move on to that. This curated look section is meant to present any particular sets of products or looks that you've put together, or that combine different products in your newest collection. And to customize this section, you can start by adding the title and any text that goes with each of your curated looks. Once that's ready, you can start uploading your photos. Simply drag and drop them onto each of your frames, and if you need to make any framing adjustments, you can also do that to make sure that your elements are aligned to the thirds of your frame. A great time to check out your progress so far and get excited about the next section, which is the follow on social section, and that's very exciting too. So let's move on to do that. So as you may well know, social media is everywhere right now, and it's basically where most customers hear about any new brands or get to know brands in general these days. So if you want to encourage your customers to tag your brand and your products on social media, this section is ideal for exactly that. And to customize this section, you can start by adding any text that will go with it. And this cursive text section right here is a call to action that encourages your customers to get rewards in exchange for tagging you or your brand on social media. Once that's ready, you can start adding any photos that you want to include here. Once each of them is uploaded, you can drag and drop them onto your frames. Make any reframing adjustments if you want. And if you want to add a soft texture to this background, you can also do that by heading to your brand lifestyle section and copying and pasting the background image that you have there. Once you've copied and pasted it, you can right click it and click detach image. Delete the previous photo and choose your texture from the gallery, or you may upload it and drop it onto your design. By the way, this is one of the free textures included in the Kitty Mogul free gallery for you. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to check it out. And to make sure that your texture doesn't interfere with the rest of your elements, you can go to Position, Layers, and drag your texture to the very back of your elements. You can also adjust the transparency to make it more subtle. And it's always a good idea to check out how it's looking. Love it. So now let's get ready to customize our Shop the Look section. Now this Shop the Looks section is great for promoting any specific products from your curated looks or your product collections. And to customize this section, you can start by adding your title and your subtitle or subheading for this section. You can upload any photos that will go with this section and drag and drop them onto your frames. You can then add the title and pricing for each of your products. And check out how this section is looking so far. And now it's a very exciting time because we're getting ready to start customizing our product pages. So let's get ready to do that. So your product pages are basically the heart of your website or online store. They're great for showing more detailed information to any customer that is interested in particular products that you sell or promote. And one of the best things about these individual pages is that they can show things like additional photo close-ups or specific textures and tones from each of your products. So to customize your product pages, you can start by adding your product's information, like for example, the product title, its category, its pricing, a brief description, an SKU if you have one, and you can also add any product tags that go along with it. Once that's ready, you can start uploading your photos. Simply drag and drop them onto each of your frames. Continue adding the close-up photos of your product. If you don't have any close-up photos, you can use the same photo and simply readjust it to show specific details of your product. And to add the textures and tones of your product, you can do the same. Simply drag and drop the image and reframe it to show the part that you want to show. You can repeat the same process for each of your products until you've completed all of your product pages. And this will be a great opportunity to check out how your product pages are looking. And as you scroll down, you may notice this second slider option that you have right here. This is purely optional, and if you want to customize it too, you can follow these steps. Select the image that you want to use for this main slider. If you've already uploaded it, simply drag and drop it onto your design, and you can make any reframing adjustments by double-clicking it, resizing it, and repositioning it. It's always recommended that you align any important elements to the thirds of your frame. You can continue to add any text that you want to include in this section, and you can copy and paste the logo that you had previously used for your original slider. You can delete the previous logo placeholder and check out your results. Great, now let's get ready to add the payment links to our products. In this part of this tutorial, I'll show you how to add payment buttons for affiliate websites or for third-party gateways like Stripe or PayPal, an Etsy store, or if you want to add a direct to WhatsApp chat button, so customers can purchase from your store or buy any products that you're recommending on your affiliate website. So to add the payment links to your products, simply copy your link, click the Buy Now button on your product page, click Ungroup, select the text that says Buy Now, click these three dots right here, click Link, and click your payment checkout link or affiliate link if that's the case. and click Done. If you want to link to an Etsy store product or similar, this is the place to do that too. And as you'll see, your link has been created, but now it has an underline formatting. So if you want to remove that, you can either click Ctrl-U or Command-U on your keyboard depending on your case, and this will remove the underline formatting. Once your link is ready, you can select the Buy Now text and the rectangle around it and click Group. You can repeat the same process for each of your products until you've added all of your payment links. Now, to add a button to shop via WhatsApp, all you need to do is use this model for this button right here that's on your fourth product page. And now we'll start creating our direct to WhatsApp chat button. And the first thing we need to do for that is to craft our WhatsApp link. The first step to do this is to write down your phone number. Once you've done that, copy and paste it and remove any spaces. Copy it once again and paste it right here. Once your WhatsApp link is ready, you can copy it and head on over to your product page where you can ungroup the elements of your Buy Now button. Select the Buy Now text, click these three dots right here, click Link, paste your link, and click Done. You can click your link to make sure that it works correctly. And if you want, you can remove the underline formatting from your text. Click these three dots right here and remove the underline formatting. You can also add the link to the WhatsApp symbol. Simply click the three dots, click Link, paste your link, and click Done. Once your links are ready, you can select all your elements and click Group. Now, if you want your customers to let you know exactly which product they're looking at, you can also do that with a WhatsApp link, and I'll show you exactly how right now. You can copy and paste this code right here that's included in the description of this video. Next, go ahead and copy and paste your phone number without any spaces, like this. You can paste your phone number right here. Next, you can copy and paste the name of your product. Just make sure not to include any special symbols with this, and also remove any spaces. You can then select it, cut it, and now you can paste your link onto your Buy Now text. Remove the underline formatting if you want. And group your elements once again. You may test your link to make sure that it works as you expected. And now it's a great time to start adding function to the buttons on our website so that your store sections are actually linked to one another. To add the link to your main slider, go to the first page of your web design, click the button that says Shop Now, click the three dots, Link, and scroll down until you see the section that includes all of your products. For this example, is page number 4. Click it and click Done. You can remove the underline formatting if you want as well. You can repeat the same process for the CTA section. And to link your products from the Shop Style section, simply select the button for each product. Click the three dots, Link, scroll down until you find the product that you want to link to, click it, and press Enter or click Done. Repeat this process. To link your Curated Looks section, select the button that says Shop Now, click the three dots, click Link, and scroll down until you find the Shop the Looks section. Click it and click Done. Now, if you need to add any more products to your store, you can easily do that by simply going to any of your products and copying and pasting it. Or right-clicking the page and clicking Duplicate Page. Drag it where you need it to go and start customizing your new product. And now let's get ready to add the links to our socials. To add links from your new website to your socials, you may want to start with this section right here. Click the social network that you want to link. Click the three dots. Click Link. And copy the link to your social media account. Paste your link and click Done. You can repeat the same process for each of your social media accounts. And once you've added the links to all of your socials, select all your elements and click Group. And in case you want to use this option as your main slider, you copy and paste your socials right here. To make sure they're centered, click Position, Arrange, and Center. And delete the previous logos to avoid any confusion. And now that your website's links are ready, it's a great idea to start testing everything and make sure that each of your buttons works as expected. This is also a great time to preview your website on mobile version and make sure that everything looks according to your branding when checking out your store from any device. If you happen to find any issues, like for example, these two images are not showing next to their title and description, but fixing that is super simple. Press Escape or click Close to get out of preview mode. Go to the section that you want to fix. Select the group of elements that you want to display together and click Group. And as you'll see, now your elements display correctly. You may also test your social links to make sure that everything looks okay. And make any styling adjustments that you want to make. Like for example, right here, I altered this line spacing, but this is purely optional and more of a matter of preference. You continue checking your links and making any additional adjustments that you want. And if you've chosen this one as your main slider, drag it at the start of your web design. You can choose to include a navigation menu for your customers, and the way that this works is that it shows at the top right corner of your website, and it allows your customers to navigate through your products and sections a little bit more easily. So if you want to include that, simply make sure to select the Include Navigation menu option. To publish your website online with Canva with free hosting, simply go to the top right corner and select the option to Publish Website. You can customize your Canva domain, which can be the name of your brand if you want. And if you already have a domain for your store, you can do that, but that's only available for Canva Pro accounts. But if you don't have one, no worries, you can still publish your website with free hosting. Simply enter the customized Canva domain that you want to use, and even customize the description that your customers will see when accessing your website. Click Advanced Settings to see more options. You have the option to protect this website with a password in case you want to do that. But if this website is intended for your customers to check out your products, this is not really a good idea. Another option that you have is to enable search engine visibility, which improves your chances of getting good SEO for this website. And you may also want to leave this last option unchecked too. Once you're ready to publish, click Publish Website. And you'll get this notice saying that your website is officially live. so your customers can check out your products and collections from any device. You can perform any tests that you want here too to make sure that it works great